Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Simmons-Machota, and today I'm going to walk you through how to log in to Kidblog for the first time. If you already have a Kidblog account, do not watch this video, find a different one. I'm in block 1, but you can do this no matter what blog you're in. You're going to notice that Mrs. Gans and I have posted a new assignment for you to upload your 3-point of view narrative. So you're going to click and open up that assignment. Then you're going to click on the link. Since this is the first time you're joining the class, it doesn't matter if this is block 1, block 2, or block 3. Everybody has a different dashboard. This one is for Miss Nichols because she loves these doggies. You're going to click join. It's going to ask you for your code. Please check your code. Here's the code for block 1. Write that down. Here is the code for block 2. Write that down or stop the video. And here is the code for block 3. Stop the video or write that down. So since I'm going into block 1, I am going to just borrow this, Control C. I don't know if you'll be able to do this in the video. Click join again, paste the code in, and click join. Now you're going to sign in with your Google account. I am logging in as our pretend student. So there I am. And now you can see that our class is on your dashboard. You're going to click on posts. Here's Mrs. Machota's sample for you to see. And that's what you need to do. But please know when you make your new post, you're going to click up here in new post. You can add an image if you'd like. You're going to put the title of your story. And right here, I'm going to ask that you open up your narrative. I'm just going to show you how to do this. I'm going to highlight it all the way down. I'm going to do a Control C to copy. And then I'm going to paste it in. But you need to also paste in the header with your color code key. Please don't forget to do that. So you're going to have to open your header, Control C again, and then Control V. Just double check. Remember, the red squiggles are your enemy. You do not want them in your paper, so please double check your spelling. Publishing to Kidblog is your final step. So you've already done all of your revisions, you've done all of your peer editing, you're getting ready for everybody to see your work. The last thing that you need to do is you just need to select this category. You're going to click Unit 6, 3-point of view. It's going to make it easier for Mrs. Gans and I to filter your posts. You're going to write the title. If you want to add an image in here, you can look in your Google Drive, or you can look on your computer, or you can leave it blank. It's really not important, but that's kind of up to you. And then if you're not done, you're going to click draft, and that allows you to come back and edit again in your portfolio. Or you can come back up here to edit, but when you're ready to publish it and send it to me for approval, you're going to click this publish button. Just giving you a heads up, your post is going to be visible to all 3 blocks of our ELA class. So not only the students in your room, but the students in block 2 and block 3 and vice versa. I'm going to ask that over this long weekend, maybe you take a peek and see what your other partners are writing in 8th grade. And maybe give them some positive shout outs. I don't want to see anything negative posted, or you will be flagged and muted. Once again, giving shout outs to people whose stories are funny and interesting and just took a great twist. Once again, you do that by clicking publish. It's going to ask who you want to publish to. You're going to click on connections here because that's going to publish out to everybody, and then you're going to click publish. Just a heads up, it's going to send it to Mrs. Gans and myself for approval first before it goes out, and then you will be published on the World Wide Web. Congratulations. If you have any questions, feel free to see us. Remember, you can stop and watch this video as many times as you need to. But have a great time and be fun. Have fun. I'm a dork. Did you see our poop emoji today on our slides? Okay, I'll talk to you later. I digress. Bye.